Today we're making pressure cooker roast beef. Come on in, welcome to my home. Well, today I am doing the recipe that I did not realize everybody would want. I did a review of the SimPot. If you want to see that, click that eye in the sky. It will take you to the day where I do that review. This worked out really well, and I had no idea that everybody would want to see the recipe. So here it is, the recipe. Now, if you do not have a SimPot or some sort of quick cooking pressure cooker, you can very easily just do this in a slow cooker. It'll just take longer time because it's a slow cooker. Alright, so what's the first thing that we're going to do? Simple. We are going to set this on saute, and then once it's hot enough, we will then brown all sides of our chuck roast. Okay, our SimPot has heated up. Now I'm going to pour in olive oil. Remember, all the ingredients are listed down below. With the olive oil in the pan, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my roast and just simply salt and pepper it. Then I'm going to saute this on all sides for about 3 minutes until it's nice and browned on all sides. After we've browned the meat on all sides, we need to deglaze the pan. So I'm just going to use beef stock, pour it in, then using the handy tool that they provide, I'm just going to run that across the bottom of the pan to help deglaze it. That's just getting all those little brown bits up. Then the other thing that I like to do, I'm going to run a clean rag or a clean towel over around the rim so that way I'm certain that I will get a great seal. So now what do? We add the rest of our ingredients. Remember, they are all listed down below. I have horseradish, minced garlic, if you're a garlic fan, add more garlic, and onion powder. We're going to stir that up. Place our browned meat back into the pan. Put the lid on. We are going to make sure that we are set on the pressure setting, and then we're going to set it to pressure cook for about 20 minutes per pound. How many minutes will be up to you, but it's about 20 minutes per pound. If you're doing this in a slow cooker, it's going to take a little while longer. Alright, our pressure cooker is done. Now what I'm going to do is just let it naturally depressurize. So I'm just going to let it sit for about 30 minutes and the pressure will slowly release. It has been a while, the pressure has released. Now I'm going to open this up. It smells so good. And we're going to take out our roast. Now we're just going to cut the roast, or have the roast fall apart as we try to cut it. You can tell that is tender. Let's give this a taste. That is so good. It is spicy. You have the roast taste. This is wonderful. It has the nice texture. There is a bit of a bite to it, a bit of a chew. It's not tough at all. It is super tender. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.